Alright, we got a GM, which means he's bad. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's beat him. We got this, chat. Knight of 3, let's go, baby. Even if it's 3-1, we're gonna keep up the pace. GMs ain't got nothing on us. I'm gonna play with B3. Just protect the pawn. Easy money. And he's playing theory on me. Dude, what a nerd. He's playing theory here. Come on, Second Life. Live a little bit. Your profile photo is you at a chessboard. Like, we got a serious tryhard over here. We are gonna take him down. And we're not gonna end up flagging. We're gonna stay up on time and have a good position. Dang, man, thank you for the 2 months. Yeah, playing theory. Come on, buddy. Okay, we're gonna castle. Let's attack his pawn. Putting pressure. He's gonna defend it, because we can predict what he's gonna do. How did 8-ball end? It didn't end. It was only the first round yesterday. Just flag him, boats? I'm trying. Okay, let's play rook e1. We're gonna push for e4. Aw, not Drillick. I really appreciate it. Thank you. He is playing a little slow. Come on, Alex. He's bad. You're right, Bobo. You're right. He is bad. Except I just blundered. I need to stop talking as much. Don't I? Yeah. I just blundered. Like a bozo. Okay. We gave away this pawn. We're just gonna live with it. We're gonna live with it. It's just a pawn. It's just a pawn. You thought it said tilted Tuesday? It does. I am tilted. Come on, buddy. Let's get the knight out of the center. He's probably gonna bring his knight in here. He's playing somewhat slowly, but of course I can't flag him, so my usual strats are not gonna work. I guess he didn't want to ruin his pawn structure. I can respect that. Okay, let's bring the rook to the open file. Let's at least get piece development. We're down a pawn, but we have piece development. This is good. We're being a little bit annoying. I respect it. He is taking his sweet time. Yeah, no, 3-1 is a lot closer. Aw, Peppo cheer. Thank you, Dyer. I appreciate it. Okay. Now I can't move this knight without this pawn being in trouble. Okay. I'm gonna play h4. Probably not wise. But we're gonna be a little ballsy here. We're just gonna try to provoke our enemy into feeling uncomfortable. I want him to know that this is not a safe space. I hope he's sweating and nervous. He's like, I'm up a pawn, but I really can't lose. I'm just gonna steal all my rating. Okay. How do we put pressure?
Blues 12 gifted a tier 1 sub to Another World 12.
Thank
This
you.
is their first gift sub in the channel.
Okay, we're in a full focus mode on him. We're repositioning. Strategical repositioning. We're not going to trade anything because we're down a pawn. We're going to hold the fort. Thank you, Rubber Ducky. Appreciate you. We're going to get out of this pin. Should have seen that coming. You know what? If he wants to trade his bishop pair, I don't even know if he should do that. Sure, buddy. Trade my knight. You're desperate for exchanges? Okay, take it. Take it. I'm coming for you. Do we take this? Yes, I think so. And then trade. Guess I have to.
Good luck.
Fuck! Sorry. Ha! Tricked you, bitch! Okay, I'm done. We're just chilling. Yeah, there's so many good players today.